Hi everyone. Right now I'm going to show you a few things that Kahoot has to offer. We're going to do a little demo so that you'll be able to utilize Kahoot in your classroom environment. So what I did was to go to kahoot.com and I created my account. Of course, my account was created years ago since I already utilized Kahoot in my classroom. The really cool thing about Kahoot is that your students will be able to interact while in the classroom setting using their telephones. I already logged into my account, and as you can see, we have several options. I have a few things I've already created, but first let's navigate to home. This is a spot where you're going to see lots of different options. The second bar over here is discover. You'll be able to discover all types of things that have already been created by other educators. And if you'd like, you can utilize these in your classroom if the subjects are correct for you. When we toggle over to library, you can see that here is one of the options that says to host live. I'm going to click on it just so you can get an idea. I'm going to click on host live so you can see how this works. So at some point when I created this, I went to create. This gives you the option to either create your Kahoot, where you can create an interactive lesson with polls and quizzes. You can also create a story, so you can tell a story to your audience using different building blocks. And you can also create a course, which is best for longer sessions with videos, documents, and also assessments. But today I'm going to show you how it works when you use your actual quiz that you've created. This particular one has 55 questions, so I'm going to click on Host Live. Now, the fun part about this is when your students are in the classroom setting, they will be able to get out their phones. Granted, you have good connection and good internet access in your classroom, and they will be able to type in the code once they have the app downloaded on their phone so that they can participate in this interactive game. As you can see, my computer is taking a little time to get going. However, when you are in the classroom setting and you're in a place where your internet connection might be a little bit better, you'll be able to get this up on the screen. You'll be provided with a code that your students can type into their phone and they can interact with the game itself. For now, we're going right back so we can continue with our demo. As we look to the left, we're going to continue to go down to reports. When you click on reports, this is going to show all of the reports for all of the sessions that you've had. So this shows all of the sessions that I've recently had and how many students participated in each session. When you go over to groups, you have many more options to choose from. So when you create a group, this is an option where you can have your students interact with each other. You can collaborate, assign, or students can even compete against one another. So these are just a few of the things that you can use within the Kahoot application. It's a really great tool and I enjoy using it in my classroom. I hope this helped you to find a little more information about Kahoot and how it might be fun to use it in your environment.